Good morning, students. Today we will study exponent and powers, that is chapter 12. So, in this chapter we will study basic rules of exponent. There is a number that is 2 raised to the power 5. Students, in this 5 is exponent and 2 is base. On base there is a exponent that is 5 and we can read it 2 raised to the power 5. It means, students, we have to multiply it to 5 times itself. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, what will be the value of this number? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So, value of this number will be 32 and we will read it 2 raised to the power 5. In this 2 is base and 5 is exponent. Clear, friends? Like this a number that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There is 16 zeros followed by this 1. Clear, friends? So, this is a long number. We can write it in exponential form like this: 1 into 10 to the power 16. If we multiply 10 16 times, then we will get this number. Clear? So, to write a number in short form or in scientific notation, we will write like this. We will use the exponent. क्लियर फ्रेंड्स? हम इन नंबर्स को जब हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना होता है किसी भी नंबर को, जब नंबर्स बहुत बड़ी होती हैं जिनको लिखने में हमें कहीं पर लिखने में या उसको रीड करने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, तो वहाँ पर हम नंबर्स को इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं जिसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म बोलते हैं. तो इट मीन्स दिस वन इज 1 into 10 to the power 16. If we multiply 10 16 times, then we will get this number, or we can simply write this 10 to the power 16. Clear, friends? Suppose this number is, this one is, in place of 1 there is 3. So, we will write this 3 into 10 to the power 16. Clear, friends? So, this number is a long number, and to write this number in a short form we can use exponents. So, in this 10 is base and this one 16 is exponent. Clear, friends? So, the value of this 2 to the power 5, it means 32. Now, we will study some basic rules of exponents. Students, exponents के basic rules क्या हैं उसके बारे में हम study करेंगे. Students, you have already studied these exponent and powers in your earlier classes in class 6 and class 7, and you know about some rules of the exponents. So, what are the basic rules? What are the law? What is the law of exponent? Okay, this one, law of exponent. So, first law of exponent is, students, if a to the power n into a to the power n. Students, base is equal here and powers are different. So, we will write it a to the power m plus n. There is a sign of multiplication in between these. Clear, students? So, this one is the first law. And for example, there is a number 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. Clear, friends? So, it will be 2 to the power 3 plus 4, and it will be 2 to the power 7. And what will be the value of 2 to the power 7? We have to multiply it to 7 times itself. Second rule, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. It will be a to the power m minus n. This one is second law of exponent, and according to this law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that will be a to the power m minus n. Or we can write, simply we can write it like this: a to the power m upon a to the power n. Clear students? That is a to the power m minus n. We can write this like this. इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n. It means if there is a sign of division between two numbers and the numbers are same, the powers will be subtracted. इसके powers subtract हो जाएंगे. For example, 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 1, it means 3, it will be 3 to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1. It means 3. Clear students? 3 to the power 2, 3 into 3, and 3 to the power 1, it means 3. So this 3 will be cancelled by this, and there will be 3 only. And the third rule of this exponent is a to the power n whole power n, it will be a to the power m into n. Clear student? It means m into n. Suppose there is a number 2 to the power 5 and whole power 2. It will be 2 to the power 5 into 2, that is 2 to the power 10. Fourth law of exponent, students, that will be, let there is two numbers, that is a upon b to the power m. It means students a to the power m upon b to the power n. Students, अगर यहाँ पर दो नंबर्स इस तरह से हैं a and b whole power m, so it means a to the power m upon b to the power m. For an example, that is 2 by 3 to the power 5, it means 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. It means you have to multiply it to 5 times and 3 5 times also. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Clear students? And this one, fifth law of this exponent, that is a into b to the power m, it means a to the power m into b to the power n. Clear students? Take this same example, that is 2 into 3 to the power 5, it means 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. A to the power 0, it means 1. Clear students? Suppose there is a number 2 to the power 0, it means 1. 100 to the power 0, it means 1. Students, in this a should not be 0. यहाँ पर a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर a 0 हो जाएगा तो ये इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी पूरा स्टूडेंट्स, या इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगी इसकी वैल्यू. सो a शुड नॉट बी 0 हियर. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर इस तरह से आप a to the power m upon a to the power m, it means a to the power m minus m. Clear students? So a to the power 0, it means 1. In this a to the power m upon a to the power m divided by this, it will be 1. Like numbers, take some numbers, and that is 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 7. So it will be 2 to the power 7 minus 7, 2 to the power 0, it will be 1. Clear students? If any number has a power 0, the value of that particular number will be 1. And now we will study about negative exponents, students. And the another rule, that a to the power minus 1, it will be 1 upon a. And according to this rule, students, if we are taking a number 5 to the power minus 1, it will be 1 upon 5. Just like 7 to the power minus 3, it means, students, 1 upon 7 to the power 3. Clear students? This one will be number, it means 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. And if there is a number 2 by 3 to the power minus 1, so students, we can write this like this, 3 by 2 to the power 1. इसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को अगर हम स्टूडेंट्स चेंज कर देते हैं तो इसका जो एक्सपोनेंट है ये माइनस से प्लस में हो जाएगा. इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1 and 3 to the power minus 1. It means if there is a power, that is 1 by 2, this one 1 by 2, and this one will be 1 by 3 by 1 by 3.